Labranda Targa Club Aqua Parc is only about 6.5 kilometers from Menara Airport, so you're looking at roughly a 10-minute drive when traffic's light. That proximity actually matters more than you'd think. Most resorts around Marrakech are either tucked deep into the Pomerania or way down south near the Atlas foothills, which means you're often stuck with 40 minutes to an hour of transfer time after you've just gotten off a long flight. Here though, you clear customs, grab your bags, and you're at the pool before that travel buzz has even worn off. The hotel also runs a free shuttle into downtown Marrakech, which is about 10 kilometers away. So you've got this nice logistical sweet spot with both airport convenience and easy city access, which can really save you time and taxi money over a week-long stay. The property is a 4-star hotel under the Labranda brand, part of the TUI group. It's got eco-certification from Expedia, though the specific criteria for that aren't really spelled out in what's available. The hotel's in Douar Boucherbe, a neighborhood with panoramic views of the Atlas Mountains. Those peaks frame the horizon in this beautiful way that changes with the light all day long, going from dusty beige at noon to deep purple when the sun sets. There's a bit of a discrepancy in the room count, depending on where you look. The official site says 185 rooms, while TripAdvisor mentions 239 rooms and suites. The exact breakdown by category isn't detailed on the official pages, but we do know what the standard room amenities are. Each room has 2 beds, air conditioning, and either a bath or shower. You get bathrobes, a bathroom phone, body soap, and a closet. There's a coffee and tea machine, which is great if you're an early riser who wants caffeine before heading to breakfast, plus complimentary drinking water. The official site doesn't specify square footage or maximum occupancy, so if those details matter for your group, you'll want to confirm directly with the hotel before you book. The room setup seems focused on practicality rather than fancy design. You're getting the essentials done well with enough comfort to relax after a day of exploring Marrakech or hanging by the pool, but this isn't a place where the room itself is the main attraction. Think of it more as a well-executed base camp rather than a showcase suite experience. Dining information on the official site is pretty limited, but third-party platforms mention several outlets by name. L'Orangerie, Kemeny, Le Cozy Bar, Les Pommiers, and a pool bar show up in guest reviews on TripAdvisor, though these aren't verified on the official pages. What we do know from guest feedback is that the pancakes get regular shoutouts, which tells you the breakfast setup goes beyond those standard buffet steam trays. Pancakes means someone's standing at a griddle, flipping batters to order, and that kind of live cooking station usually signals a kitchen that's willing to put in a bit more effort. Having multiple dining venues suggests some variety in atmosphere and menu style, though without confirmed details on cuisine type, hours, or whether you need reservations, it's hard to say exactly how meals would play out during your stay. The pool bar gets mentioned enough in reviews that it seems like a social hub, the kind of spot where you can grab a cold drink without leaving your sun, and where the bartender starts recognizing your order by day 3. If you like sampling local restaurants, there are over 1,100 dining options within a reasonable distance, and the hotel's free shuttle makes it easy to head into the medina for tagines and grilled meats in a traditional riad setting. The Aqua Parc is right there in the hotel name, but specific details about how many pools, what the water slide setup looks like, or whether there are separate adult and family zones aren't spelled out on the official site. TripAdvisor reviews do mention both a main pool and an adult-only pool, which shows the property has thought about the needs of couples wanting quiet and families needing space for kids to splash around. The adult pool concept is actually a pretty meaningful design choice. It creates this buffer zone where you can read a book or take a nap without the soundtrack of cannonballs and Marco Polo games. The main pool probably anchors the family activity, with the Aqua Parc features giving kids enough entertainment to stay occupied for hours. Pool bars and easy access to towels and loungers matter way more than most people realize when you're spending 6 or 7 hours a day in your swimsuit. A well-run pool operation means you're not hunting for a chair at 9 in the morning or waiting 15 minutes for your drink order. Guest feedback specifically highlights the pool bar, which suggests it's consistently staffed and stocked well enough to handle the afternoon rush. For fitness and recreation, there's a fitness center, a tennis court, darts, and table tennis. The fitness center is mentioned but not described in detail, so you should probably keep your expectations moderate. Hotel gyms at 4-star resorts usually have cardio machines, a small free weight section, and maybe a couple of resistance machines. It's enough to keep up with your routine or work off breakfast, but you're not looking at a full athletic club. The tennis court adds something that a lot of comparable properties skip, which is worth noting if you're someone who travels with a racket. Darts and table tennis fall into that category of low-key evening entertainment, the kind of thing that gets surprisingly competitive after dinner when you're looking for something to do that doesn't involve another round of drinks or scrolling through your phone. These activities work well for families too, giving teenagers and parents something to do together that doesn't require leaving the property or spending extra money. There aren't any spa and wellness details on the official site pages available, so that's a gap in what we can confirm. A lot of Labranda properties include hammam experiences and massage services, but without verified details specific to this hotel, it would just be guessing to describe treatments, pricing, or hours. If spa access is important for your trip, you'll want to confirm directly with the property. The hotel isn't adults only, and TripAdvisor mentions reference a kids club, mini disco, and family holiday experiences. The kids club shows up often enough in guest feedback that it seems like a core part of what they do, not just an afterthought. A good kids club can really transform a family vacation, giving parents a few hours of adult time while the children are doing supervised activities. The mini disco is one of those classic resort features, usually held early evening before dinner, where kids dance to pop music and parents stand around the edges with their cameras. It's cheesy in the best way, and kids tend to remember it fondly years later. The fact that these features get mentioned in reviews suggests they're staffed regularly and programmed with enough variety to keep kids interested day after day. The hotel's just 2.3 kilometers from the Marrakech ramparts, which puts it close enough to the historic Medina for easy access but far enough out to avoid the noise and congestion of the old city center. That distance really works in your favor. You can take the free shuttle or a quick taxi into Gemma El Efna, spend a few hours wandering the souks, haggling for leather goods and spices, then head back to the quiet of the resort when the crowds and heat get to be too much. Marrakech is a city that rewards short, focused visits rather than marathon sightseeing days. The Medina is intense, full of motorbikes weaving through narrow alleys, vendors calling out prices, the smell of grilled meat and fresh mint, the visual overload of tilework and textiles. After 3 or 4 hours, most people are ready for a break, and having a pool and a cold drink waiting back at the hotel makes the whole experience way more manageable. The area around the hotel also includes Poka by Katsura, a restaurant with a 4.9 rating on TripAdvisor, which tells you there are quality dining options nearby if you want to explore beyond the hotel's own places. The Atlas Mountains provide this dramatic backdrop, and being able to see them from the property adds a sense of place that you don't get at city center hotels, where views are usually just rooftops and minarets. The hotel has a no pets policy, which is standard for most Moroccan resorts but worth mentioning if you were hoping to travel with an animal. Non-smoking rooms are available, though the details about designated smoking areas or balcony rules aren't specified. These are small operational details, but they matter if you have strong preferences about your immediate environment. Reviews on TripAdvisor average 3.8 out of 5, which puts the hotel in the middle of the pack rather than at the top. That score reflects a property that does a lot of things well but might have some inconsistencies in service, maintenance, or food quality depending on the season and how busy they are. Guest mentions highlight the animation team, which suggests the entertainment programming is active and engaging. Evening entertainment and the mini disco both show up in positive contexts, meaning the hotel invests in keeping guests entertained after dark. Reception staff get mentioned too, which can go either way in reviews. When front desk teams are called out, it's usually because they went above and beyond or because something went wrong. The fact that they appear in popular mentions rather than complaints suggests they're generally handling check-ins, questions, and requests pretty well. Clean daily and fresh towels are also noted, which are baseline expectations but worth confirming since some hotels have shifted to every other day housekeeping to cut costs or claim environmental benefits. The hotel shop gets a mention, which is handy for forgotten sunscreen, snacks, or last-minute souvenirs without needing to leave the property. Quad biking shows up in guest mentions, though it's not clear if this is something you can do on-site, an excursion the hotel arranges, or just something guests did on their own and connected with their stay. Quad biking in the Pomerania and surrounding desert areas is popular in Marrakech, giving you a way to see the landscape beyond the city without committing to a full-day desert tour. If the hotel coordinates these trips, it's a convenient way to add some adventure to a resort-focused vacation without the hassle of researching operators or haggling over prices yourself. Let's be real, that 3.8 TripAdvisor score tells you this isn't a flawless operation. Middle-tier ratings usually mean there's some variability. Some guests have a seamless experience with attentive service, well-maintained rooms, and great food. Others run into issues like delayed room readiness, inconsistent restaurant quality, or maintenance requests that take longer to handle than expected. The gap between 185 rooms on the official site and 239 on TripAdvisor also raises questions about whether all the rooms are held to the same standard, or if some categories or building sections are showing their age more than others. If you're booking, it's worth asking for a recently renovated room or confirming your specific room type ahead of time rather than leaving it to whatever they assign at check-in. The eco-certification is a plus, but without transparency about what that actually involves, it's hard to know if it reflects real environmental practices or just basic compliance with energy and water standards. What makes this hotel stand out is really the combination of being close to the airport, those mountain views, and that free shuttle into Marrakech. A lot of resorts make you choose between being near the city or being in a resort environment with space and amenities. This place offers both, which is especially valuable for first-time visitors to Marrakech who want the safety net of a familiar hotel base while they explore a city that can feel pretty overwhelming. The Aqua Parc also sets it apart from standard poolside resorts, adding some active fun that appeals to families and anyone who enjoys water features beyond just a lap lane. Having an adult-only pool shows they understand that not every guest wants the same experience, and creating different zones for different types of travelers is a thoughtful touch that makes the stay better for everyone. The hotel doesn't provide detailed information about event or conference facilities, so if you're thinking about it for a group booking or business event, you'll need to reach out directly for details on meeting room capacity, audiovisual equipment, and catering options. From what's available, the guest experience points to a resort that delivers on the fundamentals of a Marrakech vacation. The animation team and evening entertainment suggest a lively atmosphere, the kind of place where there's always something going on if you want to join in, but enough space to skip it if you'd rather have a quieter evening. The kids' club and mini disco create structure for families, giving children a routine and chances to hang out with other kids, which often makes or breaks a family resort experience. The free shuttle takes away one of the common headaches of staying outside a city center, and the mountain views give you this visual connection to the landscape that urban hotels just can't offer. Daily cleaning and fresh towels might seem like small things, but they contribute to that sense of being taken care of, which is what you're paying for when you choose a resort over a self-catering apartment. Pancakes at breakfast, a well-stocked pool bar, and the option to play tennis or table tennis add these layers of comfort and activity that turn a simple sun-in pool vacation into something more textured and memorable. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give it thumbs up. Subscribe for more travel-related content. If you are not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our best hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.